distribution, the radiation that is coming from sun. And you can see that the maximum part is of IR radiation. And these IR radiation are responsible to generate heat. So these radiation exactly are being absorbed, converts into heat energy, and this surface get heated up. And that is why everything that gets into the sun gets heated up. So what our coating does it reflects these IR radiation. If the IR radiation are coming and if no treatment is being done, it converts into heat and the heat ingress is there, the surface temperature gets heated up. So what these coating do is it reflects the heat, it reflects the IR radiation so that heat is not generated, and we can have reduced surface temperature by 20 degrees centigrade, and indoor temperature can be reduced by 4 to 8 degrees centigrade when the atmospheric temperature is 40 degree. So in India, exactly, we have a lot of case studies wherein our product Cool Top reduces the indoor temperature by 4 to 8 degrees centigrade, and the surface temperature is reduced by 15 to 25 degree. It ranges between 15 to 25 degrees centigrade in different structures in different time of the day, and in different peak summers, the temperature difference is seen. And this is the way we can have thermal comfort without AC also. And in the warehouses and logistic area, we have lack of square meter of surface of metal, which gets heated up to 70 degrees centigrade. So in that area, exactly, if we apply these cool top coatings, it can be drastically thermal comfort can be achieved. The people can have a healthy living, healthy working condition, and they can feel they can be very productive. So we are your partners to get net zero also and cool buildings without AC. These coating reduce the AC requirement, reduce the electricity cost, reduce insulation requirements, increase the occupant thermal comfort and labor productivity. Another very good point is if we apply these coating and then we apply solar panel, the solar panel efficiency is also increased. We can help to reduce the city temperature, reduce the UHI impacts, reduce the CO2 emissions. Research study says that if we apply 1,000 square feet of this coating, we can reduce the carbon emissions. 10 tons of carbon emissions can be offset in 1 year, annual year. And thus it also improves the air quality. So if we talk about the individual occupant of the building, optimum thermal comfort, electricity saving, sustainable goals, solar efficiency, equipment life can be extended, better indoor quality, production and process loss is reduced.